How to save project on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and go to the video or pictures you're editing. Then you find menu on top left corner of your screen. Then click on back to home page. After you do that, your project will be saved in here, which is the front page of CapCut. All the project will be saved. You can upload from here, rename, duplicate, or delete project from here as well. Or simply, if you want to edit it again, simply click on the project and edit the video how you want. This is how to save project on CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.